Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at a question that has us comparing a prehistoric horse to a modern day horse using this diagram where we can see that 45 million years has passed between our prehistoric horse and its body structures compared to our modern day horse that we would find today. So the question we're looking to answer is, why did the body structures of modern day horses change so much from their prehistoric body structures? So, thinking about what we know about species and their body structures and thinking about why they might change, let's go ahead and look at what our possible answers are. Option one, the environment must have changed to cause them to have different body structures. Option two, organisms naturally become larger to survive over time. And option three, it is impossible to determine why they became larger. So, thinking about what we know about body structures, thinking about what we know about species changing over time, go ahead and select your answer, pause the video, and then when you're ready and you've selected your answer in your slideshow, go ahead and unpause the video to go over. All right, do we think we got it? Let's go ahead and see. So we know that species inherit their body structures from their ancestral populations, meaning what we see in this species is what we're going to see in this species. But we see that this has obviously become a much larger organism with those shared structures. So something must have changed. Something must have caused this. We know that species don't change for no reason. In our previous unit, we talked about natural selection and this idea that our environment can cause species to change along with other factors. So the first one, it's impossible to determine why they became larger. Well, that's not true. We can look at the fossil record, we can look at the environment, we can look at the lifestyle of these species over time, and they can be used as evidence to determine why they went from these smaller horses to these larger horses. Organisms naturally become larger to survive over time. Yes, some do, but sometimes organisms become smaller to survive. Size does not always the size of species doesn't always become larger over time. So that leaves the environment must have changed to cause them to have different body structures, and we could talk about those changes, but something has caused them to become larger over time. So that's our answer. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.